What's good, y'all? Ranger X here, and I'm back with another video, man. Today we have something special. We have a freaking dream car standing in front of me, a Toyota Supra MK4 right-hand drive. Thanks to my buddy old pal. He gave me the keys. Make sure you guys go shout him out, man. Make sure you guys go follow that Lex Icon 73. Make sure you guys go follow that, and at Driven Artisan. Make sure you guys go follow both of them Instagrams right now. Now today we got something, like I said, special, man. We're gonna go drive this right-hand drive stock Supra for my buddy. The keys are in my hand, like I'm literally shaking. Like the key, look at it says Supra. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Sorry, I'm a little emotional right now. This is crazy. This is like ultimate dream car, you know, so this is gonna be the first step. Let's go ahead and sit inside the car. Oh, dude, in all the years of me living, I have always wanted to sit in this cockpit, and now sitting in it, touching it, this is amazing. This is amazing. All right, here we go. We're gonna start it up right now. Here we go. It just cut on, bruh. Look at it. Got the gauges. Dude, this is crazy. I'm losing my mind, man. I'm literally losing my mind. This is, woo. Okay, all right, here we go. All right, okay, doors closed. The AC is on. The AC gotta be off. It gotta be off, bruh. Let's do this. I'm gonna put you guys in the mouth. We're gonna roll, and we're gonna freaking drive. I'm not even gonna really talk. I'm probably gonna be excited, but I'm not gonna really talk because I just want to experience how cool this is to drive a JDM right-hand drive Toyota Supra, you know, with the 2JZ GTE. This is crazy. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Okay, so let's adjust this real quick because kind of can't see. Okay, all right, and then go up. Okay, this is crazy. All right, so let's not stall. We can't stall in this car. Hey, she kind of light. All right. I'm sorry, just, oh my god, I'm driving a Supra. Oh my god, I'm driving a Supra. I could cry right now. Oh. No way. Oh my goodness, bruh. I know, my guy. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, brother. Woo. Dude. Okay, so far, bro, she is so nice. Like, even in stock form, she is so crazy. Oh, I love this car. Oh, I gotta get one. And everybody is staring at me. It is so weird. It is so weird. People are literally staring at me, and I don't know how to handle that because I'm not used to, like, I'm not used to that at all. And the STI people look a little bit, but it's not like this. Dude. Oh, that's so cool. That's so sick. Nice downshift. Guys, this car is so amazing, and I must say, bro, like, I know I have an SC, so I'm gonna definitely want to, like, you know, oh, there's a cop right there. Hold on. Okay, we're back. There was a cop right there. I didn't want them to see me recording, but dude, I love this car. I really do. Like, if I'm able to, if I'm able to get this car, like, in the future, I need to get it. I really do. I need to get this car. I didn't break anything.
You didn't break anything?
No. I just need to figure out how to reverse now.
Huh?
I just need to figure out how to reverse. Oh.
You could just leave it right there. Ain't nobody going nowhere. Oh.
I wanted to figure out how to reverse. Dude. MK4 Toyota Supra, man. I don't care what anybody says. This thing was such a cool car. Appreciate you, Carl, man. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to drive this not only dream car, but I mean a beautiful car as well. Make sure you guys go follow him on Instagram, and make sure you guys go follow him on TikTok as well, at Lex Icon as well. And we need to follow DAC, because this is the group that I'm around. This is the people who I'm with. So make sure you guys go follow them as well. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.